Hi, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you the chatbot I've created for a pest control business. With this chatbot, customers can quickly and easily get an estimate for pest control services. Let's go step by step and see how it works. The chatbot welcomes the user and it first asks for the customer's name, email, and phone number. Next, it asks, what type of pest issue are you dealing with? We'll choose cockroaches from the options. Then it asks, have you actually seen the cockroaches, or just signs like droppings? And how long has this been going on? It asks if there's any pattern like when they appear most often. The chatbot now checks our service area. It lists a few regions, and I'll select downtown. Now, the chatbot shows us 3 pest control packages based on our selection of cockroaches. I'll choose the Premium Cockroach Protection package. This includes a full inspection, treatment, prevention strategies, and 3 visits. The chatbot confirms our package selection and summarizes all the details. It also confirms our contact information. At this point, the chatbot lets us know that our information has been submitted and that the pest control team will be in touch shortly to schedule our first appointment. All customer responses, selected options, and estimates are automatically saved to your Google Sheet or CRM, so you never miss a lead. You'll receive an instant email notification every time someone submits their information. You can also automatically send a detailed estimate or chat summary directly to the customer's email. So there you have it, an intelligent, user-friendly chatbot for pest control businesses. It helps customers get fast estimates, saves your team time, and makes sure you never miss a lead. Thank you so much.